We'll guide you through how to use the Find My app with family and friends. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up your settings, and then what you want to do is go and scroll down and go and click on Privacy and Security, and click on Location Services, and then Share My Location. At the top here, you can switch on Find My iPhone, and you can then switch on Share My Location as well. Now that you've done that, let's open up the Find My app. Go to the bottom left of the app and go and select People. And as you can see, a contact is already sharing their location with me and is actually giving me the chance to go and share it back. However, you may be in the position where you're not sharing your location with anyone and nobody's sharing it with you. So what you can do is go to the top right of the People section and go and click on the plus button. And you then have the choice what you want to do here. In this case, we want to go and share our location. So I'll click on Share My Location. Now what you can do is choose who you want to go and share your location with. You could type in a contact name or a number. And then what you can do is go and click on Send in the top right. And you're then going to have the choice of how you want to go and share it, whether it be for an hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. After you've made your choice, that person will then be added to the people list. And as you can see, this contact here, George Bro, can now go and see my location. However, they haven't shared their location back, so it just says can see your location, and I won't be able to go and see their location until they start sharing it with me. Also, you can use Find My iPhone within family sharing as well. So close off the Find My app and open up your settings. And then all you want to do is go to the top, click on your name at the top here, and you can then go and click on Family Sharing, and you want to go and click on Location Sharing at the bottom. And what you can do is go and share your location with your family group. But you don't have to do this, and you can just go and share your location with family or friends and other people as well, just through the Find My app, but you have to go and add them in manually.